let's add a sword that adds an effect to the enemy we hit. Alright, we find ourselves back in the IntelliJ once more, and in this tutorial we're going to be adding a sword that adds an effect on hit. So this is fairly cool actually, a very interesting thing, but actually it's very easy. It's not that hard, so we're going to need a custom item class for this. So in our custom package we're going to right click new Java class, and this is going to be the levitation sword item. Well, what is this going to do? Well, first of all, it's going to extend the sword item class. And then we'll hover over this and create constructor matching super. Now we can just leave the constructor alone. The only thing we need to do is we need to override the hurt enemy method, because the hurt enemy method is called every time we hit an enemy. So that's pretty much all that there is to it. So we're going to leave the return of the super here. And then, well, how do we add an effect? Well, that was fairly easy. We just have to have the living entity. We just call the add effect. Make a new mob effect instance, as you can see, auto-completing it with the tab key, calling mob effects on this, not mod effects, but mob effects, there you go. And then we're just going to do levitation for 200 ticks. And then after the first parentheses here, we can also add in the attacker to signify, hey, the attacker here, that is going to be the source, the origin, so to speak. If I go into the add effect here, see, sadly, it's unmapped, but this basically is where this effect was applied from, and well, we can just add this as well, and that is literally it, all we need to do. So the hurt enemy method, really cool method, once again one of the methods that are available through the item. So in theory we could also add something like this to the dowsing rod, would also totally would work totally fine, no issue whatsoever. But in this case we of course want it for the levitation sword. So in the mod items, make sure to also make a new levitation sword item right here instead of making a new sword item. That is very important. We have to, of course, use this class, otherwise it will not work. But that's actually all of the steps that we need to add this. So let's see if it works. All right, we found ourselves in Minecraft. So let's just hit the sheep, and well, I mean, it did float for just a moment. I guess let's see. Let's get another sheep, or let's actually get a horse, because I believe they have a little more HP in that case, because there you go, and now we got the horse flying up and up, and then of course after 10 seconds we're gonna have the horse is gonna have the unfortunate effect of dropping down. I don't know if it's enough to, well, it's only gonna hurt him, so it's gonna be fine. There you go. So that is actually how easy it can be to add an item or a weapon that adds an effect to the enemy that was hit. Right, all of the code is of course available to you in the description below, GitHub repository and individual gist. Even though it's not that much, still could be very useful to take a look at it. And otherwise, this would be it for this tutorial right here. I hope you found this useful and you learned something new. If you did, I would very much appreciate a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. So yeah.